Welcome again, dear friends. Today, in my new session, we are going to discuss class 10th mathematics NCERT chapter 13. The name is surface areas and volumes. So friends, in this chapter, we are studying the exercise 13.1, where we have completed the question number 1 to 6. So today again I came here with the few questions of the same exercise. Here is written the question number 7. Question 7 is: a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Means a cylinder is there, that tent is in the shape of a cylindrical shape, and at the top there is a conical, there is a cone is kept over there. If the height of and the diameter of the cylindrical part is 2.1 meter and 4 meter, means height is 2.1 meter and diameter is 4 meter. So if diameter is 4 meter, so that radius will be 2 meter, and this radius of cylinder will be the equals to the radius of the conical top also. And slant height of the top is given 2.8 meter. Find the areas of canvas used for making the tent, and also find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Okay, so we need to find first of all the area of canvas used to make this tent. So dear friends, let us see the figure and understand the concept, what we need to find first, and afterwards what is given the information in this question. So after getting the meaning of this question, we will see the figure, elaborate the figure, then we have to move forward, means at the solution of this question. दोस्तों, इस फिगर में आपको टेंट का शेप दिख रहा होगा. इस टेंट में आपका बेस सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट है और इस सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट के ऊपर कोनिकल टॉप रख दिया गया है. एज फ्रॉम द फिगर इट इज़ क्लियर दैट द बेस सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट, इट्स डायमीटर इज़ 4 सेंटीमीटर. तो बट ऑब्वियस इसके टॉप, कोनिकल टॉप का भी डायमीटर 4 सेंटीमीटर होगा. Height of the cylindrical part is 2.1 centimeter and slant height of the conical top is 2.8 centimeter. So it is clearly, these are not in centimeter, actually the figure, in the figure it is given in centimeter, they are in meter. So इसको आप मीटर में consider करेंगे. So it is clearly visible that to find the total area of the canvas, we need to find the chord surface area of cylinder plus chord surface area of cone. So let us see the solution to how to find the total surface area of the canvas used to make this tent. Okay dear friends, so after seeing the figure of this question, it is clear that what we need to find. To find the area of canvas used to make this tent, we need to find that, as you know that there are two shapes in this tent. So in the solution of this question, for tent is consist, for tent there is a two shape, a cylinder and plus a cone, means conical top is there. For cylinder, for cylindrical part, height is given 2.1 meter and diameter is given 4 meter. So the radius will be 2 meter because radius is the half of the diameter. For cone, for cone, slant height is given 2.8 meter and radius is the same as the radius of the cylindrical part, which is 2 meter. Right? To find the area of canvas used in this tent, so area of canvas used, area of canvas used to make the tent is equals to the chord surface area of cylindrical part plus chord surface area of conical top, CSA of conical top. Right here. Therefore, you need to apply the formula of CSA of cylindrical part, which is 2 pi RH, 2 pi R into H, plus CSA of conical part, which is pi R into L. So, is there anything common in these two? So, pi R is common. We need to take the common pi into R. So, we will get 2 multiplied by H plus the slant height. Now, substitute the value to get the area of canvas used for making this tent. Therefore, y is, this is pi is given, radius is 2, pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 2 multiplied by 2 into height is 2.1 meter plus length height is 2.8 meters square. So let us simplify this is 22 to the 44 upon 7 multiplied by this, we will get 4.2 plus 2.8 meters square. So 4.2 plus 2.8 is equals to 7 and this 7 is cancelled by this 7. So we will get 44 upon 7 multiplied by 7 meters square. So this 7 is cancelled. You got the area of canvas. The area of canvas used to make this tent is 44 meter square. Right? So answer you got what? Area of canvas to make the tent is 44 meters square. Right? Afterwards, we have to find out what we need to find cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So the cost of canvas is equals to, therefore cost of canvas equals to rupees 500 multiplied by 44 rupees. Why? Because 500 rupees for 1 meter square. So therefore for 44 meter square we need to multiply 500 into 44. So we will get the cost, total cost is rupees 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. So we got total cost of the canvas is 22,000 rupees. So the next answer is cost of canvas is rupees 22,000, right? So once again see the explanation of this. As it is, this tent is consisting a cylindrical part and plus conical top. At the cylindrical part a conical top is kept to make this tent. So for the cylinder the information is given. Height of the cylinder is, cylindrical part is 2.1 meter and diameter is 4 meter, as the diameter of the cylinder will be equals to the diameter of the conical part. So radius is 2 meter as diameter is 4. Half of 4 is 2 meter. For the conical top, slant height is given 2.8 meter and radius is 2 meter as the radius of the cylindrical part. Now to find the area of canvas used to make this tent is equals to chord surface area of conical part, that cylindrical part, plus chord surface area of the conical top. So chord surface area of cylindrical part is 2 pi RH plus chord surface area of conical top is pi r into L. After solving this, we will get our answer. This 44 meter square is the area of canvas used to make this tent. After getting the area of canvas, then it is asking find the cost of canvas at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. मीन्स 1 मीटर स्क्वायर कैनवास का कॉस्ट 500 रुपीज़ है, तो इस 44 मीटर स्क्वायर कैनवास का कॉस्ट क्या होगा? सो वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ कैनवास is equals to rupees 500 multiplied by 44. Therefore we got 22,000 rupees is the cost of canvas to make this tent, right? Okay friends, so let us see the question number 8 of the exercise 13.1. In this question it is given that from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter, a solid cylinder is there, its height is given 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. A conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Means उस cylindrical part से ऊपर से एक conical cavity कट करके निकाल दिया जाता है, और उस conical cavity की what is the specification? वो conical cavity same height means as the height of this cylindrical part, same height और same diameter का कट करके उस cylindrical part से निकाल दिया जाता है. Find out the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. nearest centimeter square में हमें उसका total surface area find करना है. तो अभी as in the question it is given that this a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter it is hollowed out. means उस cylindrical solid से ऊपर से एक conical cavity कट करके क्या किया जाता है? निकाल दिया जाता है. तो जो पार्ट कट करके निकाल दिया जा रहा है means कौन सा पार्ट कट करके निकालने के बाद कौन सा पार्ट शो करेगा? वो शो करेगा chord surface area. So let us understand this question with the help of figure. Afterwards we will get the solution of this question. Understood? Okay friends, you observed the figure of this question. In this figure there is a cylinder of height 2.4 centimeter and radii and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Okay, from this cylinder there is a cavity of right circular cone is taken out from this. So आपको ऊपर से ये दिख रहा होगा कि ऊपर से राइट सर्कुलर कोन को कट करके निकाल दिया जाता है. सो ये क्लियर हो रहा है कि इस सिलेंडर का बेस होगा वही बेस इस कोन का भी होगा. मीन्स रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज 0.57 सेंटीमीटर, तो रेडियस ऑफ कोन विल बी ऑल्सो 0.7 सेंटीमीटर. height of cylinder is 2.4 centimeter, so the height of cone is also the 2.4 centimeter. Okay, as in the question it is asking that find the total surface area of this object after taken out means आपको कौन कौन सा पार्ट दिख रहा होगा, chord surface area of solid, base of the cylindrical part and chord surface area of the conical part, क्योंकि वही कट करके निकाला गया है। तो हम इसके टोटल सरफेस एरिया को फाइंड करने के लिए chord surface area of the cylindrical part, afterwards area of base of cylinder plus chord surface area of cone we have to find. As in the chord surface area of cone, you know that the formula is pi r into L, means slant height is required और इसमें cone का slant height हमारे पास नहीं है. So to find the slant height of the cone, we need to apply the formula as L square is equals to h square plus r square. So with the help of this formula you can find the slant height of this cone. Afterwards you have to solve the question. So let us see the solution, how to find the slant height, and after that the total surface area of the remaining solid. Okay. After seeing the figure, as in the figure it is given, this conical part is taken out, this conical cavity is taken out of the same height and same diameter of for the that is taken out. So find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So for the solution of this question, as for the cylindrical part, for cylinder height is given, for cylinder its height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is given 1.4 centimeter, so radius will be 0.7 centimeter. Why? Because it is half of this 0.7 is the half of 1.4 centimeter, right? Okay. And for the conical cavity, for cone height is the same 2.4 centimeter and radius is also same 0.7 centimeter, right? Okay friends, so let us find first of all the slant height of this conical cavity to get its chord surface area. So as you know that, so since we know that what the relation between slant height and height to the radius of this cone. So you know that relation, L square is equals to h square plus r square. So therefore the value of h is 2.1 centimeter square plus radius is 0.7 centimeter square. So let us find the square of this. Square of 2.4 is 2.4 multiplied by 2.4, which is 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8 1 9, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4. We will get 17 and this is means 5.76 it is. So this is 5.76 plus square of this is 0.49, right? Okay. After getting this is adding it is means 9 plus 6 is 5, 15, 5, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1, 12, carry 1, 5, 1, 6 means 6.25 you are getting. It is the value of L square. So L is equals to square root of 6.25 which is 2.5 centimeter. This is the slant height of the conical cavity which is taken out from the cylinder. Now to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid, so the total surface area of the remaining solid surface area of the remaining solid is equals to, मीन्स जब सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट से ये कोनिकल कैविटी कट करके निकाल दी जाएगी तो उस कंडीशन में आपको सिलेंडर का कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया मिलेगा. यू विल गेट द बेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द conical cavity also you will get. So therefore total surface area of the remaining solid is equals to curved surface area of cylinder plus area of base of cylinder, area of base and plus curved surface area of cone. This we will get it. Understood? Means curved surface area of cylinder plus area of base which is circular and the cavity that is part curved surface area of cone also. So let us apply the formula and we will get our answer. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus area of base of the cylinder is pi r square, it is a circular, and plus curved surface area of cone is pi r into L. Right? अभी the thing which is common in these pi r common है तो common कर लेते हैं. So we will get 2h plus r and plus L. अभी वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं. The values means pi is 22/7, radius is 0.7. 22/7 multiplied by 0.7 into 2 into height. Height is 2.4 centimeter plus r is 0.7 plus L is 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अभी हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, इजिली वी विल गेट योर आंसर. 7 से सिंप्लीफाई हुआ 0.7, सो 0.1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 22 इज इक्वल्स टू 2.2. ओके, आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी विल गेट 4.8 is the multiplication of 2 and 2.4 plus this 0.7 plus 2.5 which is equals to 3.2 centimeter square. So this 2.2 multiplied by this we will get 4.8 plus 0.2 is 5 plus 3 is 8 centimeter square. So 8 to the 16, 0.8 to the 16, 117 centimeter square. So therefore the total surface area of the remaining solid is nearest 17.6 centimeter square. Understood? So you can see the figure and clearly it is visible that which part we need to find in the form of area. Means after getting out, after hollowed out a conical cavity in this cylinder, जिस एरिया जो एरिया आपको विजिबल होगा उसी का एरिया फाइंड किया. और आपको कौन कौन सा एरिया विजिबल हो रहा है? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर, area of base of the cylinder and curved surface area of the cone. Okay. Okay friends, see the next question number 9th and the last question of this exercise. Given here a wooden article was made. Wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. Means there is a cylinder और इस सिलेंडर के दोनों एंड पे हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट कट करके निकाल दिया जाता है. दैट इज स्कूपिंग आउट अ हेमिस्फेयर फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ द एंड ऑफ द सिलेंडर. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and the base of radius is 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of this article. So to understand what we need to find actually, let us understand the figure behind this question. Okay friends, from the figure it is clear that a solid cylindrical shape of height 10 centimeter and radius 3.5 centimeter is kept over here, and from both the end of this solid, a hemispherical cavity is taken out from this solid, that the hemispherical radius of the hemisphere will be 3.5 centimeter. It is clearly visible. सो अभी इस फिगर का टोटल सरफेस एरिया, इस आर्टिकल का टोटल सरफेस एरिया हमें फाइंड करना है. सो टू फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस आर्टिकल विल बी द chord surface area of cylinder, the chord surface area of hemisphere at the bottom of this solid, and chord surface area of hemisphere to the top of this solid. So the total surface area of article will be chord surface area of cylinder plus chord surface area of hemisphere from the top and chord surface area of hemisphere from the bottom also, right? So figure से बच्चों ये आपको अच्छे से clear हो रहा होगा. Okay dear, after seeing the figure आपको इतना तो समझ में आ गया होगा कि जब किसी सॉलिड सिलेंडर से के दोनों एंड से हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट कट करके निकाल दिया जा रहा है, इट मीन्स तो अभी कौन सा सरफेस एरिया विजिबल होगा ये हमें ध्यान से देखना है. तो फर्स्ट यू विल गेट द chord surface area of the cylinder and chord surface area of hemisphere at the bottom and chord surface area of the hemisphere at the top. These things we need to find the total surface area of the article. Okay, so for cylindrical part, in the solution of this question, for cylindrical part its height is given 10 centimeter and radius of base is given 3.5 centimeter. This radius of the cylindrical part is the radius of hemispherical part also, right? This is the radius of hemispherical part also as radius of both solid. Right? So let us find the total surface area of the article is equals to, so therefore total surface area of article is equals to what? Chord surface area of the cylinder plus chord surface area of hemisphere at the end area of hemisphere plus once again chord surface area of hemisphere which is at the top. Which is at the top, means this is of the bottom and this is of the top. So write the formula. Chord surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. When you simplify it, you will get 2 pi r into h plus this is written as 4 pi r square. Now take the common pi r from both. 2h plus or if you are taking 2 as a common also, so h plus 2r. Now substitute the value of h and r here in this question. So 2 multiplied by pi, 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius is 3.5, multiplied by height is 10, plus 2 multiplied by radius 3.55 centimeter square. Let us simplify this. 7.5 to the 7, 2 is cancelled, you will get 22 only, multiplied by 10 plus 3.5 to the is 7, which is 17 centimeter square. Multiply by 17, 17 to the 34, 17 to the 34 plus 3 is 37, 374 centimeter square is our required answer, means the total surface area of the article remaining. मीन्स हेमिस्फेयर, दोनों एंड से हेमिस्फेयर को निकालने के बाद जो भी हमारा आर्टिकल बचता है ये उसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया होगा. ओके.